take a look at sodium and oxygen. Sodium is a 1 plus, oxygen is a 2 minus. Always start with your Lewis structure. Okay. Sodium has 1 valence electron that it can give over to oxygen, but oxygen still doesn't have a full valence shell. So what do? Another sodium. And then again, we write our formula. We drew 2 NAs, 1 O. We could also check it with our crisscross. That's the nice thing about that, is that we can check our work. All right. Oh, speaking of this next one, I wanted to show you something. I was perusing through Facebook. That is what table salt looks like underneath an electron microscope.
So it's like squares.
It is. So it's cubical. Yeah. Neat, huh? I thought you'd like that. All right. So we're back to sodium and chlorine, which is what we just saw after they'd already been combined. Probably one of the most popular ionic bonds that every textbook does, because it's so common, and we can't live without it. So, although we Americans get way too much of it in our diets, but okay. My youngest loves to put salt on things. I'm like, stop, you're gonna have high blood pressure. All right, calcium, what is its oxidation number? 2 plus. And as we saw up there, chlorine is 1 minus. So calcium's got its 2 dots. Chlorine's got 7. So if we give this one over to chlorine, it still has 1 left. So what do? We add a second chlorine. And so our formula is CaCl2, and I actually have an example of that in our classroom. This is CaCl2. We use it to melt ice. That's not what you're going to use it for, though. And then we can check our work. And the 2 match, so we know we did it right. All right, our last one on this page. Aluminum is 3+. Chlorine, oops. Definitely Monday. 1-. Aluminum's got 3 dots. So if aluminum gives this one over here, it still has 2 left. So what do? Add 2 more chlorines. So now all we have to do is write our formula. AlCl3. And then we can check our work. Al3+, chlorine 1-. How'd you do? Did you do good? Excellent. Hang on to those. I would definitely want to keep them to study. Because I may or may not have picked 1 or 2 of those for your test. All right. In your Google Classroom, you have this page right there. And I do not remember if we finished it. We did. Okay. Does anyone have any questions or problems with it?